Hello there everyone. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick and easy tutorial on how to use NetLimiter properly. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube and a lot of them aren't as helpful because they truly don't have the full understanding of networking and what this program does, and also other videos are just in other languages, hindering other people from learning properly. So here is how to use NetLimiter. The box up in the top left displays my current internet. I have 500 megabytes of download and 100 megabytes of upload. And these show you the rates. Now, if I wanted to use one program with full internet access, then I would just put 500 megabytes and 100 megabytes. And then I would set this to critical. And that would be that. But if I wanted to use two programs at once, then I would have to change this rule to half, because I would have to evenly distribute the internet. So I would put this to 250 and this to 50, and I would choose a second program. Let's just say this is one, for example. Like, say one is your Google Chrome and the other is a Discord. You would then divide this so that each of them is half of what one is. So if one is 500, then if you're using two programs, the down would be 250 and the upload would be 50 megabytes. And I would always set the priority to critical, so that way any of the programs that do not have rules set, when internet does go through them, they just don't have the highest priority, which is better for the fluctuation of your bandwidth. Now, if you wanted three programs to be limited to evenly distributing internet, then you would cut not this in half, but into a third, which I'm not going to be exact here because I don't really feel like doing too much math in my head. But let's just say that this is 133 and this is 33. So that would make this program the same. And then I would add in my third program. Let's just say that this, I'm not saying you need to use these programs that I'm using, but let's just say, for example, this is another program. One's Discord, one's a game, and one is the browser. You would also need to do the same for this. So, and so on. If you want to cut it even more, you just have to keep dividing into a fourth and a fifth. So anyway, that's how it's done. And then I would always set on critical. So there's 3 being displayed with the rule set. And if you wanted to add a fourth, it would get chopped more. So that way you're just evenly distributing internet. So do a speed test, find out what your down and up is, not what your provider is giving you, but what you're getting from a speed test. Then round down and then use the number you have as your starting point. And that's pretty much how you use NetLimiter. So there you go.